In our interconnected world, intelligent technology makes our life easier. Thanks to brilliant innovations such as the SAP HANA in-memory database, your ERP system can retrieve data in real time and make it accessible from anywhere at any time. If you go one step further and enable machine learning or robotic process automation, your business can run more smoothly and more efficiently. But when listening to your SAP business users, you often hear about an ERP system that is far away from ideal. The period end closing presents particular difficulties. Various stumbling blocks in the financial accounting and controlling functions can put up barriers to achieving appropriate period end closing results. A complaint that is often heard is that the runtime for period end closing tasks is too long. There is no transparency into how the time for technical processing is spent during period end closing tasks, and because you don't have any insights, you can't figure out how to reduce the long runtimes. You can address this matter with the Business Process Improvement Service for SAP Solutions. The Runtime Analysis for period end closing tasks provides insights into the longest running closing tasks, such as background jobs and statistics for settlement runs in production planning and plant maintenance. As part of the as-is analysis, long-running period-end closing activities are split according to background job processing and dialog mode processing. Also, processing statistics, especially for settlement runs and correlation to transactional backlog, are given. Find out where the most of technical processing time is spent during period-end closing tasks. With this information, you can reduce the runtime of long-running period-end closing tasks. This service component should be especially interesting to the Chief Financial Officer, Head of Finance or Head of Management Accounting or Controlling. So what do you get? You get an evaluation report on your SAP ERP or SAP S/4HANA software system prepared remotely by a business process improvement expert. It takes 1 week for the report to be prepared. The most interesting results are presented as visuals and analyzed deeply to obtain a broader understanding of the underlying problems. The Business Process Improvement Expert presents the results to you and your stakeholders and gives you insights into your potential for improvement and suggestions based on your current situation. By analyzing the runtime analysis for period end closing tasks and working with a Business Process Improvement Expert, you can determine the cause of your accountant's headache. If you're interested in this service offering, ask your SAP account manager for more information. Start exploring your improvement potential for your period end closing tasks now. Business Process Improvement, more than just another service.